Okay, just give me a second. Okay, big link. I am also watching it on my mobile so that things go smooth. So let's complete yesterday's problem first. We had left at the pandas as I was not able to complete it, right? So uh, yeah. So in pandas here, how the thing goes is I had given this products and products dot. Okay, let's revise first. So the description of the problem goes like this: we need to return the product ID in this format, which has both low fats and is recyclable. Okay, so in pandas, how we can do it is products. This is the data frame, and inside which we are filtering it. Okay, so products dot low fats is the column name is equal to y, and condition we are giving, and products dot recyclable, this is also the column name, is equal to yes. Okay, so once this condition is true, we are returning it, we are storing it in the variable x. Okay, so if I directly return the variable x dot product id, then it comes as series data frame. Okay, so that is the reason we get an error here. Okay, so if you can see, you need to return a pandas data frame, it says. Okay, so instead of series, so that is the reason you need to write it here, pd.data frame x of product id. So once you run this, it runs successfully, and you can also submit this uh, problem. Okay, so you can see it, uh, it accepted. Okay, so let's not waste much of a time in this, because this was yesterday's problem. So today's problem is this: so find customer referee. So let's read the problem description first, and then like we can jump into the solution. Okay, so now like I won't waste time on thinking here and writing the solution, since I am also solving it before the solution remains here. So I will make you go through the solution step by step, both in MySQL and Pandas, so that we don't waste much of a time. Okay, so we have a table name customer here, and we have columns like id, name, and referee id. Okay, and also type is given. Okay, and in SQL, id is the primary key, so here id acts as a primary key for this table. Each row of this table indicates the id of a customer, their name, and the id of the customer who referred them. Okay, that is the referred id. Okay, so find the customer name, find the names of the customer that are not referred by the customer with id 2. Okay, so that is and we can return the table in any order. Okay, so this is refer id, it is 2, right? So we need not return this, so we just need to return Will, Jane, Bill, and Zach. Okay, so wherever referee id 2 is there, we should not return it. Okay, so how we can write the query is and also you can see there is only one column, that is name. So select name from the table name, that is the customer. Okay, and where the referee id is not equal to 2, that is the first condition. Also you can see that there are nulls here. Okay, and okay, and the other condition is or the referee id is null, so it should not be equal to 2 or it should be null. Okay, so if I run this, uh, it passes the test cases. Okay, and also you can see that we can submit the solution. Okay, so this is in SQL. Okay, now if I switch back to pandas, okay, it is the same. Okay, and we have the function, and the data frame name is customer here. Okay, so what we can do is we can directly filter the customer and return it. So customer dot referee id is not equal to 2, or this is the or condition, and customer dot referee id, that is the column, is in a in the sense it is null. Okay, and we are returning the name. Okay, so whatever, if I remove this, okay, if I remove the name, you can see that we get all the rows basically, sorry, all the columns. Okay, so you will see our output is id, name, and referee id. So we just want the name, right? So that is the reason we are giving it here name. Okay, so then if you run this, you will get the proper output. Okay, so you will see the output matches, and also you can submit the code. Okay, so in this format, you can also solve this in SQL, and in also in pandas. Okay, so hope this helps, guys. And if you like this video, or if you learned something from this video, do join and share it with your friends who are trying to solve the problems on daily basis. Okay, or who are trying to learn SQL and pandas. This is typically the best scenario to learn yourself and get the hands-on experience. Okay, so that you can get the interviews easily done. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this session and learned something. If you do, hit the subscribe button. And until then, take care. Bye bye.